All women are born with a gift. And this gift is a gift to carry a child for 9 months. The gift to carry a child for 9 months comes with another gift, that is to menstruate monthly. It's a gift that is like a miracle. But the unfortunate thing is that to some women, this gift comes with difficulties, comes with thorns. To some ladies, menstruation is like hell. And I say, if you are that lady with serious menstrual period, if you have serious cramps during menstruation, please, may God make this video to be a solution to you. Because in this video, you're going to get the best home remedy you can do to solve your problem. If you are that lady who has been having her normal flow with no pains, you need to thank God, because those who have pains are in serious problems. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this episode of our health discussion. If you're joining us for the very first time, I want to say may God bless you and thank you so much. For those who have been here, please continue to be with us as we ride on this journey. On today's discussion, we are going to talk on how you can actually make a home remedy for menstrual cramps. And you will be using your own items within your home, within your kitchen. You don't need to go far to get these things. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get all of these items. So, you stay tuned while we explain the procedures and what you need to solve your menstrual cramp. You may say you don't need it, but a friend may need it, a sister may need it. So please, for the sake of maybe your friend, maybe a sister, stay glued to this video and understand how you can handle menstrual cramps within your home. Thank you so much. Please, let us explain this procedure together. So, what do we need to make this our beautiful home remedy for menstrual cramps? We are going to need ginger, honey, lemon juice, grater, water, and metal strainer. What are we going to do? As per the procedure, this is what we are going to do. The first thing is to grate your ginger. The next thing that follows is to allow a cup of water to boil overhead. Then once the water reaches boiling point, add the grated ginger and allow it to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can take off the flame. Using the metal strainer, strain this ginger solution. Then, to this ginger solution, add in your honey and the lemon juice and stir very well. You can drain this solution 2 to 3 times daily. The best time is the one of your cycle. Once you start flowing, the one of your menstrual cycle, the 2 and the 3. I bet you after taking this, you come back here and tell us the results. So this is all you need to have this remedy. As simple as that. I know there are people who may not be opportune like you to watch this video because they may not have internet. So why don't you consider sharing? There is also a link on the text that has been written. So you may want to get the complete text. There is a link down below in the description where you can also get the complete text and share it such that others can get these amazing tips on solving the menstrual cramp issue. I hope this helped you. If you have this problem, may this be a solution to you. Thank you so much for joining. If you consider our material helpful, why not share it? If you're watching us for the very first time, please, why not hit that subscribe button and click notification. Please keep safe out there. May God bless you. Have a wonderful day.